Alright guys, really special time that my student gave me detail for talking about family. Alright, in anywhere we live we have family. We have father, mother, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, nephew, niece, child, children, whatever that we have, we must be happy and must thanks to the God. Sometimes so we don't have uncle and aunt because our mother and our father they don't have brother and sister. So in life we try to together with good heart, with mind to make harmony life. So by the way, try to make really success in your family. Always have each other. Alright. Everybody in the world, good night. Always be lucky and success and healthy also.